everyone, this is Parul. Today I want to share with you a beautiful yoga sequence for Chairyoga. Chairyoga can be practiced by anyone. If you're new to yoga, if you're just starting your yoga journey, if you have limited mobility because of any reason or you're recovering from any injury, Chairyoga is just perfect for you. So let's start this practice. Sit comfortably on your chair, rest your hands gently on your knees. Let's start by closing our eyes. So get aware of your posture. Make sure you're sitting straight, your spine is long. Soften your shoulders, head, neck, chin, relax. And then slowly start to build in some awareness for your body. Get aware of how your body is feeling today. Observing any tightness, any blockages you're feeling in your body today. And then you slowly expand this awareness to your breath. Observe how you're breathing. Take a few breaths without any adjustment or judgment, just breathing in and out through your nose. And we're going to slowly start to make our breath deeper. Breathing in through your nose, filling up your lungs. And breathe out, lengthen your exhalation. Continue, breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in to your belly and breathe out, lengthen your exhalation. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's take a few more. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Lengthen your exhalation. And let's take one more deep breath here. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out. Lengthen. Let go of what you don't want. Just take a pause here. And then you can slowly open your eyes. Okay. Now let's start with our postures. So we're going to start with cat and cow in sitting position. Rest your hands on your knees and then just get your chest forward, shoulders relaxed, taking your head back, chin away from your chest. And breathe out, making a C with your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Let's do this. Breathe in. Arcing your back, shoulders relaxed, chin away from the chest, chest open. And breathe out, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button, making a C with your spine. Breathe in, arc your back, chin away from the chest, shoulders relaxed, head back, keep breathing. And breathe out, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button, making a C with your spine. Now let's take one more here. Breathe in, chin away from the chest, shoulders relaxed, head back, keep breathing. And breathe out, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button, making a C with your spine. So we're warming up our spine, and then you come to neutral position. From here, let's go for stretches for your neck. So you're going to take your left hand, gently take it on the right side of your head and gently lean your head to your left. If you want to make this stretch deeper, you can release your right hand and gently take your head slightly more towards your left side without pulling it hard. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release, taking your right hand back on your right knee, left hand back on the left. Now you're going to take your right hand on the left side And then lean your head to your right side. Yes. So stretching sides of your neck. And now if you want to make this stretch deeper, you can release your left hand and then gently pull your head slightly more towards your right without stressing your neck. Do what's comfortable for you. Keep breathing. And then gently come to the center. And then you release your hands. Okay. Now you take your arms like this at a shoulder level, horizontal. Take your arms back, take your head back. So we're stretching the front of our neck, opening your chest, a great heart opener as well. A little back bend also here. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you get your head to neutral position. You're going to interlock your fingers, put it at the top of your neck. You're going to get your chin to the chest and elbows in gently, feeling the stretch at the back of your neck. Keep breathing, don't pull it too hard. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently release your hands. Okay. Now your hands by the side of your chair, just like this. And you're going to just take your head back. Yes, shoulders relax. Gently taking your shoulder blades in. A nice release for your back. Keep breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come to neutral position. Okay. Now I'm going to fall forward. So take your arms and breathe in and breathe out. Yes. Resting your abdomen on your thighs and gently taking your hands down. Okay. And just staying in forward fold. Let your neck relax and your shoulders relax. Keep breathing. Staying here for a few seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly come up. And then put your hands gently on your shoulders and then just take your elbows back. So releasing your shoulders. Let's make circles with the elbows. 1, 2, 3. So choose either of the direction and then you can change it to 4, 5. And then you change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you release your hands. Okay. Now you shrug your shoulders like this, breathing in and breathe out with a long sigh. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out. 2 more. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's take 1 more here. Breathe in, taking your shoulders up and breathe out. Okay, now we're going to twist. So, twisting to your right first. So, taking your right hand behind this, okay, and your left hand outside of your right knee. And then you gently twist to your right. So, when you're twisting, make sure you twist with your trunk, not just twisting your neck. Yeah, so make sure you twist your trunk, drawing your right shoulder back. Keep breathing. Gentle twist to your right. And then you come back to the center and we're going to change. Right hand on the left, outside of your left knee. And then you twist to your left, taking your left hand back. Okay, just resting on your chair. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you come back to the center. Now let's do half sun salutation in sitting position. So take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, fall forward. Breathe in, taking your arms up. Breathe out, hands down. 1 more. Breathe in, take your arms up. Breathe out, hands down. And breathe in, come up. And breathe out, release. Okay. Now take your right leg out just like this and give rotation to your ankles. Okay, from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now just bend your right leg like this and hold it with your hands just like this. Get it closer to your body. Yes, so you're releasing your right hip. Keep breathing, sitting straight. Stay here for a few seconds. You can point your toes also if that's comfortable. 3, 2, 1. And then you gently release and just take your arms to the shoulder level. So this is really good for strengthening your core, and you're getting strength from hip flexors also. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently resting your right leg down, arms down. I'm going to change this to left side. Okay, now extend your left leg, rotation to your ankles. 1, 2, change, take either of the direction. 3, 4, 5, and then you change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you take your left leg in, bend it, hold it with your hands and hug it in, get it closer to your body, point your toes. You want to keep breathing, sitting straight for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you're going to release your arms. Yes, arms at the shoulder level. So you're drawing all the strength from your core and your hip flexors. Keep breathing, hang it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently rest your hands down, legs down. Okay, now you take your right leg over left. So right ankle just over your left knee. Okay, so first option is to just stay like this and just draw your right knee down, just gently down. Okay, second option, if you want to go deeper in this pose, you want to take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out. You want to fall forward. Take the option. Don't push yourself if it's not comfortable. Keep breathing. So stay here for a few seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently you're going to come up. Yes. And then you're going to change to other side. Left ankle over right knee. Yeah. Draw your left knee gently down towards the mat. Right. Option to just sit here. Just stay here. Or you're going to take your arms up, breathe in, lengthen and breathe out. Fall forward gently. Yes. Just adjust your hands. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently come up and let your left leg be down. Now you're going to open your legs wide like this. So it's like a goddess pose. So let me show you from here. Yes. So you open your legs wide, feet pointing out. Yes, sitting straight. Taking your arms up, breathe in. Taking your knees out as wide as you're comfortable with. Breathe. Hold it here for a few seconds. You can get your arms parallel to the mat. Stay here for a few seconds. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently rest your hands down. Get your legs together. Okay. Now we are going to do warrior pose in sitting position. Okay, so you're going to open your right leg to the side, right foot pointing out. And you're going to straighten your left leg out like this. Yeah. Left foot in. Yeah. Make sure heel of the front foot, which is your right foot, in line with the arc of the back foot. Yes. And then you're going to open your arms. Yes, like this. Keep breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. Yes. And if getting your left leg back is not comfortable, you can just get it closer to your right leg also. Yes, it's like this. Breathing, staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently rest it down. We're going to change now. So left foot pointing out, right leg straight. Yeah, so imagine you are in warrior 2, okay, on the mat, and then you just open your arms to shoulder level. Keep breathing. Again, you have the option to get your right leg in. If you're not comfortable straightening your right leg, you get in as well. Yeah. So just observe your body and do accordingly. Keep breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. Lengthen your spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently get your hands down, your legs in. So now we'll end this sequence with one breathing practice, that is alternate nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom. So let's take right thumb gently resting it on your right nostril. Breathe in through your left nostril. It's very relaxing and soothing, and breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. And breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left and breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right and breathe out through your left. One more. Breathe in through your left and breathe out through your right. And then you gently release your right hand back on your knees. Close your eyes for a few more seconds before you end the practice. So make sure you're still sitting straight, shoulders relaxed. Just observe your body, observe your breath again. Observe how you're feeling as compared to when you started this practice. Then slowly, let's take one more deep breath together. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. And then you gently open your eyes. So this was a short chair yoga sequence that you can practice anytime during the day. And I hope you'll enjoy this practice. Thank you so much. See you again. Namaste.